On the phone,
Low quality daw.
the sun is actually tiny.
Katapon mo
On this phone,
Tapon mo na yan. Low quality pala yung cellphone ni daddy.
and on this phone, the sun is actually tiny.
Taway na yung cellphone daw.
The sun is actually tiny.
That's why you...
Diba ka Kuya
It looks
Chiyo?
like it's in America.
Diba kang Kuya Chiyo high quality o kayo? So wala yun. Ang camera ni Kuya Chiyo parang alas 8 na.
White.
Kaya kay MK, nasa man na kay 3 oras.
I'm currently vlogging right now.
Taway na
Nanto ka na?
low quality po.
Nantok na yan.
This is so good.
Wala parang ano na.
I try not to record my parents.
Hayag na kang Kuya Chiyo eh. Sa'yo, madilim pa rin.
Try not to record your parents. Why?
Because
Ayaw man namin na makita mi sa ano, sa iyang mga post. Hindi man nagreklamo mo na hindi niya apilon. Gusto ko yung papa makita ko yung papa. Mahagip sa kamera. Kaya iyon sa dili do niya apilon.
What do you mean, Opaw? Sino Opaw?
Say kay magpadili ta mahagip ko nag-apil.
Ah.
Alam na niya na dili daw niya
Yes.
apilon.
Yeah.
Complete man siya.
we tried to had my
that?
oh
Whoa.
the record
What's that?
guys.
Sabi na diya ma'am.
This. Oh, it got blurry.
SM. San Fernando.
Oh, look at those buildings. Robin, stop! Oh, it's dark. Make sure I don't have to drop my phone or show my parents.
Ate, doon yung
SM!
Naubos yung memory ng phone ng daddy mo.
It doesn't even have a ring.
Sabi ko sa'yo, madilim pa eh. Mamaya na lang. Kaya mga kuya, kay hayag man. Alas 8 na ang
Have a
cellphone ni
ring.
kuya.
But in the future, maybe it will appear. I don't even understand.
High quality.
Low quality?
Hindi, high quality.
High quality pala yan. Akala ko low
I
quality.
cannot record.
Ganda pala nito.
Ganda pala na ito.
Sageng?
What is
Ganyan na lang istorya.
Oh, yeah!